Hi, my name is Rajesh. I work for Tata Teleservices and I am associated with this company from the last 14 years now. I am currently holding the position of a general manager taking care of the broadband operations for the state of AP. In my last 14 years, I have recognized one thing as to how important the environment is to us. I've always heard it in my school days and from whatever my parents have told me कि we need to protect trees, we need to protect our environment. It was always there as a bookish knowledge somewhere back in the mind. So that's when I came to Tata Teleservices, I realized the true meaning of what this means to us. A tree saved is a tree gained. It creates a lot of opportunities for us to protect the rapidly degrading situation that we have on the ground now. And it was a chance and a good pleasure that we met up with and partnered with ITC in this project. And over the last 3 years, we have been really working hard to make sure that we contribute our bit to the environment. It was during this association that we realized that by about recycling 1000 kgs of paper, 22 trees can be saved. Probably this was something which is statistics, which we are not aware of. But when it hit us very hard. That's when we took this initiative and I can talk about me personally where I took personal participation in this entire thing so that we can give back our contribution to whatever we have got from this environment. And it is with great pride and pleasure that I state here that in the last 3 years of association, we have actually made a bit difference to the entire situation that we were in the past. Planting trees as a part of culture of Tata's always existed. But how do we make sure that we recycle our waste paper so that it can be again reconverted back into books, which can go into education of children, is something which was a very wonderful idea that stuck through when we realized that in our partnership with ITC. And this WOW initiative has actually added a lot of meaning to my own life and existence on this planet. Thank you.